the whole way.
Is it?
Yeah.
I don't like ruts.
No, neither do I.
Shit, that one's open, but that looks slick.
That is the wettest hill climb here.
Which one?
The big open one. Where it just looks like they've just been...
This muddy one.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's slippy that. I'm not even going to bother.
You gonna try any?
Yeah.
I'll try that one on the right. Second off
Start on the left. Start on the left one. Look our way up.
It booted me! Damn it! I hope many of you watching can relate to me, being a complete novice amateur crappy rider. It's all fun though, until you got to turn around. Gonna try that one.
What, the one I came down?
The muddy one.
The one I did.
Oh, go on.
Yeah, well, I'm not confident, but...
Yeah, I'll keep it wide open. Third gear pin.
Third gear pin?
Yeah.
Come on then. Third gear pin. Do they know who I am? Guess just go for it. So I reckon start second, pick up the third, just go for it. That is slick. That is a little bit slick. I made it though. Oh my! I did make it. Even though I can't get this up. This is insanity. Oh. Oh my God! Look at the wind. This is crazy weather. Oh my God. Get some of this. Country stuff's good. Grip cleaner. I recommend it. Use code MOSERSTMX. Get 5% off this lovely bracken. I finally did third gear pinned.
Yeah.
Finally.
I was wheeling all the way up there.
Yeah, well I had to drop it down and then it was just picking up like at the end and then I just slid on my arse at the top.
I was itching just like that.
Yeah, I know.
Trying to keep the front end.
But third's way better.
Oh, yeah.
It's way more controllable, isn't it?
It's a lot better.
Yeah, because I went in second on that other one when I failed, but it's just a bit too wild, choppy.
Yeah.
Like on third, it just pulls exactly where you want to go, doesn't it?
That's why I always do them in third, then you can always knock it down.
Yeah, I need to learn that. Do you reckon he's going to do it? Here he comes, Alfie. Have you noticed he's got a new bell helmet? Thanks to me. Well, not thanks to me, I sold it to him. Oh no! No! Did you hit the wall? I went third. That's right, I give advice now. Third gear pin, mate. Look at this though, what a venue. What a venue. I like how the TPI squad, KTM squad, is taking over. Ralph's on the only Husky here today. I'm making an impact. Oh, he's gone. You try going at the wall again. That's actually quite a good thumbnail. It's worth it for the thumbnail. Oh! He's held it! Has he?
I can't even get on.
That's not going to be easy. Bring the front round, Sam. Be easier.
I hate turning right. If I was straight the other way, I could turn right.
Are you just part there debating what you're going to do?
Yeah.
I hate that. I'd stay there all day. There we go. You got it.
I've got to turn right. I hate turning right.
This is going to be...
Smile. Smile.
Thumbnail.
Yeah, that's what I'm thinking. How are you going to get out of there?
I don't know. My bike's going down.
You might as well get off it, bring the front straight and then just jump on it. Or go into the bracken, there's a bit more grip there, is there?
Oh shit!
Let's swap bikes.
Yeah, I'd rather his position. Oh, not now. Not now. Yeah, it's surprisingly there's grip when you're riding. It's just when you're off the bike. How thick it is.
I do not want to turn into this.
Well, it'd be alright if your back wheel's got grip. If
Handguard's gone, another handguard.
Really? Another handguard? That's the same one every time. Huskies. Don't get me started. And he's off. Skiing! The boys wanted you to go skiing.
Now my foot's stuck.
Do you want a hand?
Yeah,
I don't know how I'm going to get to you, to be honest. Hang on, Jesus. Sam, if you're that side, can you get his foot out?
Hey?
Can you help me get his foot out? Because I can't get over. I can't get over there.
Oh no!
Oh, this is gonna end well. You're lucky you didn't break your neck. I couldn't get over. Can you even get up? You were debating the glove situation. Get onto the grass. This is hilarious. Oh my god. There's just no whatsoever. I don't know why I'm laughing. I got to get back up.
How I would have made that?
I know. Well,
No, I was wheeling onto your bike then.
You probably could have used his tyre for grip.
one more go.
Go onto the grass. It'd be more grip over there. Oh no, Sam, not again. What's weird is I'm the only one that made it. Which is the first. Which is the first.
Oh shit.
Hey, I made it before.
You did, you were the first.
I think it was your fault, why we can't get up now?
Yeah, you ruined all the grip. There was grip, I swear. I bombed it up.
Yeah, I got up it easy.
Yeah, but now it's like all chugged back down there. Yeah. Whoop. Oh my god.
I got a bit further.
You did. Just caught grip at the wrong time.
Yeah, just a bit.
This hill is ridiculous. There's so much mud piled up there though, you lose speed.
Ow.
Yeah, you lose speed down the bottom.
2022, right?
Oh. Ugh. In your hand.
No, me.
Their grips are horrendous, aren't they?
Oh my god.
I think you need a break.
How I would have made that?
I know. Well,
No, I was wheeling onto your bike then.
You probably could have used his tyre for grip.
one more go.
Go onto the grass. It'd be more grip over there. Oh no, Sam, not again. What's weird is I'm the only one that made it. Which is the first. Which is the first.
Oh shit.
Hey, I made it before.
You did, you were the first.
I think it was your fault, why we can't get up now?
Yeah, you ruined all the grip. There was grip, I swear. I bombed it up.
Yeah, I got up it easy.
Yeah, but now it's like all chugged back down there. I start making...
Rolling back down to there.